welcome back to Tesla Living. In today's video, we'll be taking a ride in the Tesla Model 3 to showcase just how awesome this electric car is. Get ready to have your mind blown. First thing first, check out this interior. It's like we're driving a spaceship with a giant touchscreen control panel and a futuristic design that'll make you feel like you're in the future already. And when it comes to driving, hold on to your nerves, because this thing is fast. The Model 3's instant acceleration is like a roller coaster ride, except you get to choose where it goes. Need a break from driving? Let the car do the work. Tesla Model 3's autopilot feature is like having a chauffeur, except this one never gets lost or ask for a tip. Oh, did I mention how charging is a breeze? With a growing network of superchargers and destination chargers, the feeling of range anxiety is a thing of the past. And thank goodness, also looking for the fuel prices is also a thing of the past. So there you have it. The Tesla Model 3 is the ultimate driving machine. It's fast, it's fun, it's good for the environment. What's not to love? Thanks for watching, and remember, if you haven't driven a Tesla yet, I highly recommend for you to give it a try.